I've decided to create something new to celebrate S'mores Day with. You can make this any day of the week, but National S'mores Day is where it's at. So s'mores are kind of messy. They're hard to travel with if you're gonna bring them to work. I don't have a grill set up right now, so we're gonna make something brand new. I've never made this before. I'm just making it on the spot. I grabbed some ingredients. So I've got crescent rolls, egg whites, graham cracker crust, powdered sugar, Hershey's, jet puffed. My dog that's burping in the background. And look at that, Hershey's has little morsels. So what are we gonna do with all this? We're gonna make s'mores calzones. We might not make anything though if I can't get this out. Okay.
She's doing so good.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh. That scared me so bad. Like,
okay, wait, I think this is good. I'm just gonna.
Smack it.
Oh, there we go. All right. Keep in mind, I've never made this before. I just kind of invented it at the grocery store when I was buying ingredients.
Right.
So, how do you even get these apart? I guess you can kind of flatten this out to make whatever shape you want. And then we're going to use some of this. I don't want to get them too full because I don't know how much you can hold. I'm trying really hard not to lick my fingers because I want to share these with people like me. It's really hard. Some chocolate chips. And graham cracker crumbs. Voila. Now, the tricky part of folding everything inside. Then we have a fork to kind of press it down in. Make a nice little shape. Okay, and then along the top, this is just egg white, just to make it brown up a little bit. And
Nice.
some powdered sugar.
Looks like graham cracker.
Ooh, maybe we should put a little graham cracker on the top too.
I
Making this up as we go along, so, and a chocolate chip on the top. Okay, so this is what they look like before we put them in the air fryer. And again, I've never made this before, I just kind of made it up. So I'm not exactly sure how long they're gonna need to cook. Slide them in there. With this air fryer, if you put things on the top, they cook faster than the ones on the bottom. So I'm just gonna put these on the very bottom so that they don't burn or explode. I'm not really sure how they're gonna cook. Shrimp. That seems about right. 320 degrees, 12 minutes. Ooh. Let's turn the light on. All right, so the s'mores calzones have been cooking for 7 minutes at 320 in the air fryer. And I think that's all they really needed because they're kind of popping out. And see, they look like real calzones because that looks like cheese on the calzone. This is my prettier plate, so this will probably be going to work with me tomorrow. All right, so we're gonna try these to see if they're even edible. I don't even know. Again, s'mores calzone, marshmallow fluff, croissant rolls or whatever they are, and chocolate chips. Your hand is really distracting. Graham cracker crumbs, egg wash, powdered sugar. Okay, I don't know how many ingredients that was. 320 in the air fryer for 7 minutes. Okay. Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
It's hot. You can't touch it with your hand.
No, then I don't know how much you eat.
All right. Okay. I'll see.
Was it good? Was it good?
It's really good.
Was it good breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Is it gonna be smoke? Is it like?
This is better than a s'more, except it tastes like a s'more. I might have to start a food truck. That's how good this is. How is it?
It's like the best thing ever.
Really? You're so picky.
It actually is so good.
Really? I am surprised. Usually
actually
you were
really
like,
good.
I don't want to eat anything that you cook ever.
Is there another one I can eat?
I mean, you can continue eating the one you're eating.
Oh.
Like,
That's actually really good. I don't know why, but like it's so good. Just look at that. Hot beauties.
okay, so what do you rate it? Like between 0 to 10, how good is it?
I actually think like a 9 because like the middle part, which you gave me, is really good. But like the edges, I don't really think that's like that good because probably because the chocolate chip's not there, and the chocolate chip just made it like so good. But the edges that I had the second time, it was good, but not like as the middle. That's why I would give it a 9.
Wow, thank you for that very honest critique. Oh no.
Yeah, I so got that just now. You know that? I'm just saying. Like I was so zoomed in on that. I was like this, look. I went all the way to 6.
Where did this chocolate chip even come from?
Maybe from my behind because maybe I popped it out.
Don't edit that out.
So,
That's the best. No joke, bro. Let me tell you what else I gotta do.
what's happening?
It's called Dancing Network. Right? Not Food Network. It's called, okay, pretend I ripped my pants off. Dancing Network.